Alright, folks. Had a tenant call today and said that a pipe is flooding the side of the house, which this is a kitchen clean out right here. And there's actually two kitchens on this line. Yeah, it's greasy. So I don't know if this just needs a cap or if it is clogged and that's why it's discharging out here. There's grease everywhere. Let's take this hose and fill it up. Yeah, I think this is probably clogged. Yeah, that's definitely clogged. Got the drain right here. And then foot pedal. Okay, I think we got it. We'll test it. This little blade on here is a grease blade. Works really well. But I had it in there and I was feeling some resistance. I think it was hitting a Y and then popping into the main sewer. So I think we probably got it all, but let's let's test it. All right, we got the hose on. And not getting any backwater coming out, so that's like half power or half flow. So I'm gonna turn it all the way on. Give it a nice douche. That's full. It's full city pressure right there. And that is not coming back out. So we'll let that run for a little bit and give it a nice cleaning, and we'll be on our way.